They know it's coming out, and this is the major bombshell, and they buried it in the piece. When this comes out and people understand, and it is explained to them what a national security letter is. The national security letter should only be used if there is a real emergency. There's a terrorist act. You have a terrorist who you need to identify. You need to get something on him fast. You don't have time for a FISA or anything else like that. The president can issue a national security letter signed by the attorney general, and you can then immediately surveil that person. But using a national security letter for what they did, for what they used it for over and over again, boom. Out of time. I have more. A little more. I'll get to that in the next video. Thank you for tuning in. See you. Bye.